Hi, my name is Burçe Karayazı and I will be explaining my Physics 101 project. The objective of my experiment was to show that if we are dealing with a surface with friction, the initial energy of the system could not be conserved since the friction force will done some amount of work on the system. Also, in this experiment, I tried to observe the effects of the inclined plane with the ground on the friction force. So this was my setup. I had an inclined plane, a spring and a cube. I have carried out my experiment by releasing the cube from the top and observing its compression amount on the spring. I have also changed the angle of the inclined plane in order to observe the effects of the angle on the friction force. From this experiment, I have learned that as the angle increases, the friction force will decrease, and which will also cause the energy that has been lost because of the friction force to decrease. After I did my calculations and compared them with the experimental results, I have realized that there were some errors in this experiment. The types of the errors in this experiment was systematical errors, which were caused by observational and instrumental reasons. Since the spring was made at home conditions by hand, it was easily getting deformative, and it was the instrumental reason of my errors. And the observational reason of my errors was since the measurement of the compression amount was done by slowing down the recording, a fully precise reading could not be done.